Peter MacCallum Cancer Centre is a new hospital with comprehensive research and conference facilities. It's filled with critical care, medical, collaboration, audiovisual and specialist technologies. Lives literally depend on the technology working correctly.
At PeterMac, we have specialists based on site. We cover both business hours and after hours. There are many critical spaces at PeterMac which require rapid response, and our technicians are on site ensuring that these are addressed quickly. Further to this, our technicians on site attend to the many BAU AV activities that take place on a daily basis at PeterMac, and also help support the many events that take place.
We look after critical areas such as operating theatres, treatment bunkers, and medical meeting theatres. We work closely with the PeterMac IT department, providing technical assistance, event support and preventative maintenance. We look after the critical areas such as the operating theatres, which consist of black diamond video equipment, to medical grade audiovisual technology. These need to be running reliably, so we need to make sure they're operating at optimal performance.
It's an honour to work with the team at Peter MacCallum Cancer Centre. The work they do is an incredible benefit to the community, and it's such a privilege for us to be able to serve them there.